Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Dr. Faisal and I've been working in the intensive care unit during this COVID pandemic. The Masjid committee today have asked me to speak to you very briefly about my experience in the intensive care unit and why I feel it's very important for us as a community to have the COVID vaccination. So I've been looking after COVID patients over the last few months in intensive care unit, and I find that approximately 40% of those patients who are admitted into intensive care die, and a lot of these are from our own community. The reason being because in our own community we're at higher risk of developing a more severe infection of COVID. This is why I feel it's very important for us to have the vaccination. What the vaccination does is it reduces our chance of getting a severe infection of coronavirus. Okay, I myself have had it personally done, and I also am strongly advising my own family and friends to all get the vaccination as well. Now, no one can force you to have the vaccination. It's your own choice. The choice will always remain yours. But you have to make sure you weigh up the risks against the benefits. I explained the benefit is it reduces the chance of you getting a severe infection that will require you to go to hospital or even dying. Okay? The risks of having the vaccination are very much the same as any other vaccination that you were to have. They include having a local infection, a local sort of a reaction in your arm, which could cause you some pain for a few days, or having a very mild temperature, which could last a couple of days to maybe a week. At worst, you can have an allergic reaction. Now, those people who suffer from allergic reactions, they should seek medical advice from their doctor to see if it's suitable for them to have the vaccination. So as you can see, the benefits far outweigh the risk, and it's for this reason that most medical practitioners and also the World Health Organization strongly recommend we to have the vaccination. A lot of people are saying we've already had coronavirus, so why should we have the vaccination? The reason being we don't know how long your immunity will last. So it's still important for you to go out there and have the vaccination. Okay? Other things that people are worried about is they're worried that there's a chip that's in the vaccine and they're worried that it was developed far too quickly. All I have to say for this is the vaccination has gone through rigorous testing through independent bodies, and they've all verified there is no chip hiding in this to find out where you are. Your mobile phone is far better at locating you than this vaccine ever will be. Okay. Also, people who have this vaccination will be important for you, because if you will look to travel in the future, like to go to Pakistan or go to Umrah or to go to Hajj or anywhere around the world, in the very near future, you're going to have to prove that you've had your COVID vaccination done. Okay, so it's very important for you to understand this. Finally, it's important to remember that this vaccination would hopefully stop you from getting a severe infection, but doesn't stop you from infecting other people. So it's important you carry on with the social distancing measures, you wash your hands and you wear a mask. We have a religious obligation to make sure we protect all those in our community. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.